Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Dell docking station not turning on. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Dell docking station here just in case it's not turning on. Well, there are a few things that you may want to try here. So first things first is you may want to do a basically a short or a small reset here. So how do you do that? So what you need to do is you want to make sure that nothing is actually connected to your Dell docking station. So that includes any USBs or any Ethernet cables here. So remove anything that is connected on it. Now, in this case, if your docking station uses a, let's just say a charger here, you may want to remove the charger as well. So it just the bare device itself. And what you need to do is you just need to let it sit for about a few seconds, like around 30 seconds or a few minutes here. So if you can, let's just let it sit like for about 15 minutes here. And also you could try pressing and holding the power button here to basically drain the power from your Dell docking station. Now usually draining the power from it can actually reset the entire component here. And hopefully this should actually let it boot up, or this should actually turn on your Dell docking station. But just in case this does not work, you need to make sure that it's not a hardware thing. So in this case, again, if you're using an adapter here or charger here, you may want to basically use a different one if you have an extra adapter that is compatible with your Dell docking station here. So use that, connect that in here, and see if that actually turns it on. And sometimes the adapter or the charger is the problem itself. So yeah, make sure it's not that problem. Now, also before connecting this or connecting your Dell laptop here to your laptop, you want to make sure that it's actually compatible. Now, some models may or may not be compatible, so it's best to check. So also some laptops may are not compatible with docking stations. Like for example, for USB-C here, if you're just using like a USB an ordinary USB, so USB-A here, so it may not be compatible. So you need to make sure that you connect your docking station to USB-C, and also you are using a data cable, so not just a charging cable when you're connecting your Dell docking station to your laptop. But yeah, if none of this actually works, if you just recently bought your Dell docking station, it's best to contact support and see what are your options. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.